Does realizing the Dogelon Mars cost forecast interest you? For the vast majority, the response to this question will be yes, since Dogelon Mars, in the same way as other image tokens, has acquired a ton of notoriety among crypto holders in the beyond couple of months. With such a spike in its interest, individuals want to find out whether they will be a tycoon by putting a couple of dollars in such Dogelon Mars or not. The historical backdrop of image coins. Image coins are digital forms of money aligned with specific subjects, frequently humor and fun as opposed to specialized items and administrations. It very well may be from a web image or some tomfoolery character. Dogelon Mars ELON coins are neither focused on innovation nor without any trace of essentials. Image coins don't serve genuine use and have no viable utility like other cryptographic forms of money. Dogelon token is centered around networks and is local area driven. These are portrayed by low qualities and high course. The greater part of the Dogelon Mars ELON is esteemed at a couple of pennies or a small portion of a penny. In view of the most recent information, a great deal of image coins are available for use. Dogelon Mars ELON appeared in WOC 2021. The very first image coin was named Dogecoin. It is a digital money with the topic of Doge image. Kabasu K9 in Japan is the motivation behind the Doge image. It was made as fun against serious digital forms of money. However, the ubiquity of Dogelon Mars ELON has in the long run expanded. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are the most well-known among image coins and give fierce opposition to the crypto market. Dogelon Mars, the street ahead. Most recent news reports out from the digital currency market manifest. 2021 was a great time for Dogelon Mars ELON tokens. Dogecoin and Dogelon Mars flourished in 2021. After the exploded of Dogecoin, it was an obvious indicator that the digital currency market is broadly tolerating Dogelon Mars coin. Individuals began effective financial planning. Later, Shiba Inu went into the 10 greatest digital money list. From that point onward, markets saw a development in the posting of FLOKI Inu, Safe Mars, Dogelon Mars, Akita Inu, Samoid Coin SAMU, Kishu Inu. The majority of them have a similar example, however they are from various networks. Squid Game is a token made that is motivated by the Netflix show Squid Game. It flooded in one day, and some other time when the designers had the floor covering pulled the following day. Costs plunged to almost 100%. Crypto holders who hold Squid couldn't sell the token. Such a circumstance can occur whenever. The other insane element of image coins is that they will give exceptionally productive returns and make their financial backers moguls short-term. In a review directed by Krabako, a digital money research organization, in regards to the acquisition of new digital currencies, 91% of the 1,000 members have bought tokens. The name Dogelon came after the capital city of Mars and is articulated as K9 Elon. Dogelon Mars is a widespread cash for individuals. That's what Dogelon Mars guarantees. Dissimilar to other image tokens, Dogelon Mars will continually be getting to the next level. An animation K9 in a spacesuit thinking of his story is a lovely portrayal of Dogelon Mars on its site, since it is characterized as a fair widespread digital money. There was no presale of tokens. 1,000,000,000,000,000,000 coins have been made subsequent to sending half to Vitalik Buterin. The following half of tokens are secured in the Uniswap liquidity pool as ELON and ETH pair. Then it is locked for eternity. Dogelon Mars specialized examination. The eccentricism of Dogelon Mars ELON cost is higher contrasted with different coins in the cryptographic money market. Subsequently, giving a precise Dogelon Mars cost gauge is very troublesome. Verifiable information of ELON cost shows the section Dogelon Mars cost was around $0. Not long after posting, the ELON value moved to $0. In May 2021, the Dogelon Mars cost was raised to an end cost of $0. Dogelon Mars cost beat the Dogelon Mars cost forecasts and began climbing toward the finish of September 2021. Continuously 7-day stretch of October 2021, the Dogelon Mars ELON cost had arrived at an excess of multiple times what it had begun the principal day of the month. Dogelon Mars has given a decent return around then. The ongoing cost of Dogelon Mars ELON is around $0, with a complete market capitalization of $210,329,262. The flowing stock is 549,652,770,159,583 ELON, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,909,874. Dogelon Mars denoted a record-breaking high of $0 July 2021. Afterward, the ELON cost began rectification till the finish of the last year in the middle between steep cost changes. In any case, starting from the start of 2023, Dogelon Mars has turned around its value force and keeps on enrolling recuperation. The ongoing cost of Dogelon Mars ELON is expected to proceed with similar energy for the ensuing exchanging meeting. Assuming there is no local area-driven trigger occurring in the ELON, Dogelon Mars gauge for the momentary remaining parts unbiased. Unexpected group reactions of purchasing are past gauge and Dogelon Mars cost expectation. As per market projections, the cost is supposed to show a bullish pattern later on in contrast with the ongoing exchanging esteem. Dogelon Mars value expectations, 2023 to 2030. When is a resource class called a wise venture? On what premise and information monetary choices to contribute or exchange is taken? Indeed, these are the two critical inquiries for which the entrepreneur continually look through replies on an alternate sites. Essentially, financial backers and brokers need to do central and specialized investigation for a superior choice, and they ought to investigate the best digital currency gauge from specialists. Resources need strong basics and administrations, or they ought to be in any verified business region to dissect and gauge whether they can give a productive return from now on. ELON's cost can't be anticipated to reach $1 anytime soon. As per our Dogelon Mars conjecture, what's to come is splendid for the token, and it will become fundamentally by 2030. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2023. In view of the Dogelon Mars coin cost expectation 2023 and the ongoing cost activity, the typical cost of ELON tokens may be around $0. Toward the finish of 2023, the greatest and least value levels of Dogelon Mars could stretch around $0 separately. Dogelon Mars coin value expectation 2024. As per Dogelon Mars cost forecast 2024, the ELON token could arrive at a typical cost of $0. The base cost of Dogelon Mars could cross $0. Furthermore, in view of ELON cost forecast, the token could raise a ruckus around town worth of $0. Dogelon Mars value forecast 2025. In light of Dogelon Mars coin cost forecast 2025, the coin is expected to begin the year around $0. The Dogelon Mars could arrive at a most extreme cost of $0, while the base value level may be around $0 the finish of 2025. Thus, according to our ELON cost expectation, Dogelon Mars will be a wise venture choice for a more drawn-out time frame outline. Dogelon Mars Forecast 2026. The ELON cost expectations predict starting at $0, and a possible increment is normal for what's to come. Dogelon Mars has a lot of chance in light of its inflationary nature, according to the past information. As per our Dogelon Mars cost forecast 2026, the base cost assessed is to reach $0, while on the potential gain, the most extreme value level could hit $0. Dogelon Mars gauge 2027. Dogelon Mars forecast predicts a most extreme cost of ELON tokens around $0 the year's over. The typical cost stays at $0. The Dogelon Mars expectation 2027 proposes the future cost of Dogelon Mars will rise dramatically. Dogelon Mars coin expectation 2028. By the start of 2028, the Dogelon Mars figure guesses that the cost of Dogelon Mars will reach $0. The base and most extreme costs could cross $0 individually. Dogelon Mars conjecture 2029. In 2029, Dogelon Mars value expectations are supposed to cross the $0 cost level. As indicated by the Dogelon Mars figure, the base